Hey crafty friends, it's Mel. Happy Sunday. So I just wanted to do a quick card share of a recent kit that I got on Black Friday. Some of you were able to pick it up. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's a great little kit from Queen & Company. I've never actually had one of their kits, but this one's pretty cool. It's called Happy Holidays, and it comes with, I'll just show you a quick, not that this is a good color copy, but this is the page that came with it, and these are just some of the cards that were made on there, but it came with the dies, it came with the stamp set that I'm really enjoying, as you can see, and then it comes with the acrylic sheets, a bunch of dies, I don't know if I said that already, a paper pack, a matching paper pack, and that's what I use for these, besides minus the black paper tray ink paper. But I am just, I guess, bougie with my card, stop it, tell you, with my card stock. And oh, look at this. So this actually happened to another YouTuber. She, when you do this bow, it has to be either double-sided paper. That looks better for now, but it's probably going to pop off in 2 seconds. But I stupidly decided to use cork paper. Now she's a little crooked, so I'm probably going to change that out of there. And I also use, look, oh no, I thought it came up again. And then I use the cork here. But this is the one card, and this one says, it's not what's under the tree that matters, it's who's gathered around it. And then I just used all the foam pieces, and then I did some layered, just some dies that I had, and you die cut the base, and then did the shaker tree. And I don't know if you can see the little shaker bits in there, there's that. And then some of them I did some stuff on the inside just to do that, and I used some black twine and just tied a little bow here. So there's that one, and I like the way that one came out. So I'm trying to get these ready for, so my mom is already away. She's in Atlanta with my little sister for a little over a month, maybe a little less than a month. So we already miss her, and it hasn't even been a full week yet. But I'm glad she's down there with my little sister. So my little sister is not due till Christmas Day, but she's ready already now to have this baby out. She's hoping it's like any second now. And I will keep you guys posted on that. But my mom's down there with my dad, staying with my little sister and my little sister's husband for, you know, about a month, to kind of help them out. So this is the card that I made for them, and this one says, the stockings were hung with the chimney with care. And I tell you, stop. And she keeps trying to put her hands in front of the camera. And I did a heat emboss down here with white ink, and I just did some stitching lines, and I used some of my dies. I used my Stampin' Up! Little heart punch to make these hearts here. And then this name you see on here, it says Mila, and that is what their little girl's name is that she's waiting on. So this one's cool with the shaker. Let me get you a little closer. But I also have a couple little hearts.
What?
Mila.
The little girl's name is Mila.
Right, that's what I said. So hold on, honey. No, don't open that. So this one has a little heart in it, and I put some of the shaker bits in there. So that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. And they just shake over there, and it has her own little name. And then I just did a glue pen around the edges. I don't know if you can see that. And I put little sparkly glitter. And this is just some green twine to make it look like the stockings were hung, like the stamp says. And then I think, yeah. So then I did some a heat emboss sentiment and some of the matching paper. And I put love, and I put our names in the little hearts. So there's that one. So that one's going to get mailed to them. So at first I wasn't going to do the shaker because I thought they're not going to mail well. But now I'm just going to put them in. How I usually mail 3D things like this is you're going to have to pay a little more for the shipping, obviously, than just a postage stamp if you do a regular A2 size card. But sometimes it's worth it. So this one I still have to put a bow on. This is just the card front that I started. And this one is a candy cane. I don't know if you can see that. A candy cane, and it says Sweet Christmas Wishes, and I heat embossed that, and I popped up just with some of the extra foam. And then I messed up on this die, so I had to use a little punch, you know. So that's just the card front so far, so I still have to construct the base. But I just kind of went with a theme and added the black to it. And I know that's not traditional, but I just thought it made it stand out well. So I'm going to fix that bow and then work on these little more and then get them sent out. Also, I'm going to do another quick video announcing the winner for the giveaway, because I really like to get these mailed out to you guys to enjoy. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Bye.